This 2026 CrossRoads Hampton 372 FDB is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Epsom, New Hampshire, 03234 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV New Hampshire. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new CrossRoads is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 3, Slideout, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features bath and a half, front living area, kitchen island, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.